Big X is chilling, and you are watching STENA Silapa again on yet another episode of our beautiful STENA. As you can see, man, Tango CMTV, Tango. Without further ado, namhlanje man ndiniphethe ijuice neyazi bandi soloko ndine juice, no tumongi mali, no fusion. I bring you 100% juice. Big Xhosa, I'm your host, and this is yet another episode of STENA. Namhlanje sizazivela ba kwenzeka ntoni man, qale ke ndiye breaking ke man ndiyotya nje chicken leg wami okanye loo nto ndiyityayo. Siyabuya. Tango. Big X is chilling, and you are watching STENA. And ndisoloko ndinencwadi endizibhalelwa kaloku mna ndiyabhalelwa andifani nani. They write to me, yabo. They write to me unlike you, yabo. So ndithe xa ndifuna le ncwadi man ndasiva esi story, but ndizawuthanda man ubhuti aze azosicacisela ngokwakhe. So Lee, can you please bring him Lee? Ndiyacela mzise Lee. My brother.
Sure, bro.
You good?
I'm grand.
I'm good. Igama ngubani? What's your name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. Okay. Emmanuel, uyandiva xa ndithetha okanye would rather stick with the English? Okanye isiZulu?
Uzama ukukhuluma noma ngesilungu.
All right. Emmanuel, man, I was reading le nto ubunibhalele yona man, and it touched me a little bit. Like, can you just tell us why you are here first? What happened? What's going on? Can you just tell us that?
Ngilana ngoba vele ngizobingelela bonke abasibonayo nje ku CMTV.
Yeah.
And hayi nje ngokuthi umuntu uhlala ngathi uyabhayiza nje kanjalo.
Oh, uyabhayiza kancane.
Ya khona kuyakhona ngoba nginenye out yami hayi siyafrostana na out. Akodwa njalo ngimshaya ngeSTENA ku cherry yakho yabona. So
uthi umthathela icherry yakhe.
Yeah.
Hayibo, Emmanuel. Beautiful name. I would think that you are innocent. Yabona, like even you are dripping nje kahle yabo. I would think that no man, this brother does not bother anyone. Mara uthi out yakho frostana nayo from back in the day.
As layout ne frostana siyathembana.
Yeah.
Vele mahlangana endleleni ngeke uthembe ukuthi ngifriend origin uzovela uthi hayi ingane yomuntu ngapha ayikho dede umngane wami mara umfazi wakhe ingeke nayo uyabhayiza damani. As in all of the time uyasebenza kuyabusuku intombazana ehleli lapha azinhle kanjani la ntombi
uhlele yedwa sisi
njalo nje.
So wena ubona nje ubhuti ehambe phandela lo sisi, wena ubona iopportunity ba no man ubhuti njembe sebenza umsebenzi wena mawusebenza inkosikazi yakhe. That's what you are saying.
Yazini njengokuthi mina ngiyasebenza ne naye umfazi uyajabula mangifika. Mina ngelanga loqala ngathi ngiyobona uSkwiza wami esiyenzakalani ngiyobona umfazi wakabhuti. Mangifika lapha umfazi wakabhuti uyangicala. Mina ngavela ngabona ukuthi yena. Yeah.
So uqalwe nguye?
Yeah.
Hayibo. Niyayiva le juice andiniphathela ibonga imali mina ndiniphathela ijuice. Uthi xa ifriend yakhe yosebenza yena usheke sebenza umfazi wefriend. Ndokuthi it's not I might make jokes out of this, but it's not really a laughing matter. This is deep. Siyabuya xa sibuye breaking man sizaniphathela ababantu kuthethwa ngabo apha. Don't go anywhere. Big X is chilling, and you are watching STENA. Siyabuya. Big X is chilling, and you are watching STENA. We're back. yeah bethuna simvile man ubhuti apha sithi xa yosebenza umngani wakhe yena usheke sebenza umfazi sizawubiza usisi ngoku ke ndive icala lakhe man bithini lento kahle sizawubiza usisi siyabuya phofa sibuyi sesilapha sizawubiza usisi li kamzise man Sisi sawubona nami ndiyaphila igama uBixhosa wanela Getty oh okay Getty nice to meet you very beautiful uyamazi ubhuti mos Emmanuel
Hello baby.
Imsa ufela sekathi hello baby Imsa So, Emmanuel, umazi what is he to you at this moment?
Umuntu wami.
Ibo. So, the thing that I'm hearing is this, ne? When ubuthana nomngani kaEmmanuel. Umngani kaEmmanuel, uthi Emmanuel, umngani kaEmmanuel, xa ebhizi eyosebenza. uEmmanuel usheke sebenza nawo, nisheka ni busy nina nobabili. Is that true?
No, the thing is uhleza busy akanaso isikhathi sami makafika nje uhleza umuntu okhathele so nami ke ngabona ukuthi okay fine nedingo nami and uyakwazi ukuthi angiunderstand uyanginika isikhathi sakhe nemali uyanginikeza kodwa yena since uthi uyasebenza ngibona into ayisebenzayo ngoba ngisho nemali nje akakhiphi ngisho imali so
Masisi I understand it's a very good thing basibhejeni Majida we have to badger. But at some point, I feel like when you're in a relationship, it's a two-way street sometimes. Have you ever in your life, or in your dating, ubhuti lona, have you ever given him something, some malinyana or anything?
No, I mean, angisebenzi and naye uyazi ukuthi angisebenzi.
My God. Andizwingena. It's okay. See when you get mad when it doesn't give you money, but yena kumele understand that.
Must provide. Injala ishi.
Crazy world we live in. But andizube ngena into details or anything. So Imza provides everything. Ubhuti angakwazi provide.
Uyaprovide, uyanginikeza imali, uyakwazi nokuthi angiunderstand. So yena mina ngidecide ukuthi
so before nokukhatha busithini?
Ngidecide ukuthi kungcono ngisale ngiba naye.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
So let me just ask this ke ngoku. I understand imali is one of the contributing factors and stuff and you're a woman you're saying but you have your needs and stuff which is andizungena kuyo. So ndizawubuza ke mina kulelo ndifuna uyibuza pha ebedini emsebenzini pha ebedini is he performing better than
yena uyesha into yakhe angifuni ukungasho ngicela
Imsa akonwabu Imsa look at how heavy he is madoda Imsa Emmanuel hey siyayihleka nje but ukhona uzakophuka inhliziyo ukhona uzawubethwa ngeSTENA without further ado mandiye kwi break xa nibuya nizaniphathela ubhodi lokuthethwa ngaye apha Big X is chilling you are watching iSTENA siyabuya is chilling and you are watching iSTENA. Welcome back siyabamkela kakhona. If you were not here nathi Emmanuel uthi uthathe umuntu emntwini lo muntu athathwe kuye ubhizi kusebenza yena usheke sebenza nalo muntu asebenza naye awuzundiva if awumamelisa ngakahle you're not going to hear me if you're not listening very well so without further ado man Lee andifuna nobe ndibingena into details or one ndicela uzise ubhuti lo umzise manje umzi my brother how's it
I'm good.
I'm good igama ubani
Mlindeli.
Mlindeli mlindeli. I'm sure uyabaza babantu.
Yeah, ngiyabazi.
And I'm sure you're shocked ubona ama camera and stuff ubona abantu bazi ya wondering bakwenzeka
le. I'm 100% sure.
Okay. So Sisi nawe bhuti. Phofu nanga umuntu osibhaleleyo apha. So ingasaxelele why lapha. Please ngixelele ba why is he here? Tell the truth.
Uthini Grand.
Yeah, I'm right.
Yazi.
Ngicela uhlale ngapha bhuti. Hlala ngapha. Ingathi andithanda uba lapha kanye.
Lalela. Inenkinga namhlanje ngizovula icala lami ku.
Icala libi manje.
Bafu. Unento engishaya ekhanda la. Uyabona njalo wena mawusebenza. Mina ngathi ngelinye ilanga ngiyobona icherako lapha endlini. Ngathola bagesi. Mina mangikokode lapha ngitshela ukuthi ngene. Mina singiyambuza lapha ukuthi ngizwa amanzi kwenzakalani wathi awungena. Asibafu.
And then kwenzeka ntoni? Sithetha kwenzeka ntoni?
Mina ngavela ngangena phakathi.
Wayezakala vero.
Le nto ngayibona la phakathi. Angeke ngikwazi ukutshela yonke bafu mara bafu ngicela ungixolele shem. Azi umuntu wakho sothandana nami.
Kanjani manje?
Ndidi confused. Sisi esi story sithetha isinyana. Is it true what he's saying?
Kanjani?
I understand othukile bhuti. So wena ungumuntu obhizi osebenzayo umthetho wakho.
I'm feeling busy.
Yasebenza. Did you expect lento ayenzileyo? Bungayilindela.
Ebengifonela every day mangisemsebenzini. Engicheck ukuthi ngiright here.
Senofefe.
Kodwa uyazi na ukuthi uhlezi ubhizi.
Kodwa phela
uhlezi ubhizi.
Ngesikhathi lapho ngiba khona.
Awunasi isikhathi.
Yo.
Uhlezi ubhizi.
So
vele wena ujola nomngane wami vele.
Askisi uzoba strong. Hayi bosisi.
Ngiyacabanga isikhathi esiningi amafoni check umuntu wakhe uthi unjani lapha. Abanama yenzela ukuthi azi ukuthi umuntu usendleleni orokwenzakalana.
Sisi uthini? Askisi, it is what it is.
Yena uhlezi khona.
Uthi
he's always there.
Come besides lento ubunixelele yona ba like okay ngizaqalela nje clean. Lo sisi lona uthi lo bhuti ongcono kunawe ematrasini ebetting. That's what she told us. She told the world.
Ayibo. Kodwa nawe ke soyibeka ngendlela.
Okay, kamxelele ke like ngixelele awuthethi so I'm talking for you. Uyayethuka lonto like okanye kudala has she ever complained to you about izinto zasebetting?
Complain and azengichithela ngazi ukuthi waye kwenzakala.
No, but ngiyazama ukukhuluma nawe but wena nje awunaso isikhathi sami.
Wena ukhulumile nami ibhizinisi plan.
Awunaso isikhathi sami. So ngiyabona ukuthi
ngiyangitshela noma yini.
So like nje this relationship I for mina.
Khawume imza umngani wakho lo I don't understand why so senza kanje ngoku like I really don't understand. Like njayam you no longer care about umngani wakho kanye anything. It's fine as long as ufumene umuntu wakhe.
Maraba uzongixolela vele umuntu wakhe ngingeke ngiphatha kahle angeke ngikwazi ukuyeka inyama ngenxa yakhe.
But wesithembana muzi.
Uthembana ukuthi
awutshela ama secret no.
Ngiyaxolisa kodwa umuntu wakho mina ngihamba naye nginayo choice. Ngiyamthanda nawe uyamthanda.
Iqiniso babe.
So besokutshela lokho nje mina
so vele nje mina
angisafuna ukubona ikhole yakho la.
Wena vele mana kancane
uthini. So sima sufika usenze wenza idemand
makancane ngitshela uthi
ngimana kancane wena sazokhuluma masiphuma uthini phela wona ukhetha abantu kahle.
Kahle nawe ngiyathanda but ngithanda nokuthi
vele akusinto ngitshela yona
but ngikhetha yena. Mnakwethu, this is what I can tell you. I always advise people to move on. So ivile lendo, what is your plan? Like, are you still gonna continue to try to make it?
I'm still shocked. Yes.
Still shocked. Uyazi nobuza kwenza ntoni? I understand, especially you didn't expect it from him. Ne?
Yeah,
Puti, do you have anything to say to him? Any last word to say to Putilo?
Mina yekho into engizofuna ukuyisho kuyo. So lento ngizocela kuye angasafuni. Then angisafuna ukuzwa nje mistake kuye lo muntu ngiyamthanda. Mina nawe noma sicabana kunandaba.
ngiyademthemba ngakhona
Kuyafana mina ngizothini.
Ima
ngizange acala. Umuntu wakho nguye wangicela. So ngiyothini?
Wena wangitshela phela.
Azi kunezinye izinto komele sikhuluma. Ngeke ngikwazi ukutshela nana ukuthi vele umuntu wakho ngimthathile. Then ngapha besacala singazani ukuthi sinjani. Mara manje sengiyabona ukuthi umuntu wakho cela umtshela aphume kuwe. Straight. Ngisafuna ukuzwa lutho.
So vele ngikhetha
No, umtshele straight up.
mayisebenza njani umntwana?
Hayi umntwana uzomondla.
Vele ungambheki
So now, imani kancane without high with the. So do you truly believe what there might be a possibility by ingane kalo because asiyazi biqale nini lento okanye
Uya umntanakho lo.
Umntwana wayefana naye.
So ufuna uzama ubaleka support yini?
Hayi
Yeah, kungcono futhi.
There's no way.
my brother, please get a DNA test. That's what I would advise you.
There's no way.
Awufuni kwabe DNA.
Oh,
Ndiyaxolisa.
Vele ubonga uNkulunkulu sikunikeza ingane sizozala yethu.
Uzomondlo wakhe.
Yeah.
Uzomondlo.
Babukeli kubusy andiyazi noma nthini. My brother, nje do you have any last word to say to the both of them?
Into engayisho manje ukuthi ngiyakuphelanga ngisazojika futhi.
Usezabuya.
Ngisazombuyela umngane.
Mawufika kimi ngizoceda. Mawufika kimi ngizoceda. Angifuni ukuzwa lutho ngifuna noma kuthuzani kwami nje. Umfazi ngowami ngihamba naye. Nawe uyamuza uthi uthini angisho? Angisho. Lo ngowami lona ngiyahamba naye.
Kuya ngiyophela.
Baby, ngiyakuthanda.
Son, man, please, can you just stop, bruh? This is disrespectful. Just for now. At least respect the fact that he's here. Now we are bamba. In front of him.
Wena unesikhathi semali asingena. Thina singeni thina.
Uthi wena your last words is awusabuyi apha. Ukanye uthi uzawuphinda ubuye usezawudibana nobhuti.
Usazodibana naye.
Okay. Make sisi, do you have any last word in concluding or uzawabhekisa kuye?
Ingane eyakho uzowondla.
Sobona.
Maintenance court.
Sobona ngawo. Vele ingane ngizayigcina vele ngizayithatha and angeke uphinde uyibone futhi.
Angeke uzukwenze lokho.
Bethuna I understand abantu bayala but it's very advisable ningalwi ngengane just to get back on omnye umuntu. Let the kids see both parents. If you guys believe baningabazali nobabili, it's best that you guys try to work it out. Mfethu akuhlanga lungahlanga wonke umuntu uyatyela wonke umuntu uyabethwa ngeSTENA ngokuqala ngokugqibela, you know. Mhlambi naye uzawubethwa ngeSTENA. We don't know.
Angisazombamba.
You know, we don't know. We don't know. All I can say is be strong, but for uqhubekeke kahle and uzomfumana umuntuogrand for wena. I wish the best of luck for the both of you. You know, I wish the best of luck for the both of you. And Imza is taking this as a joke. Mara go pull is not a joke, but ke ankolapa Big X. Chilling, and you've been watching STENA. Siyabulela kakhulu. Thank you to our guests for coming. Thank you Puti. Thank you Nawe Sisi. Thank you my brother for coming. May the best man win in life. Thank you very much. Big X is chilling and you are watching STENA. Thank you.